Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
So let's keep up with our analysis on euro currency. You can see now the reaction in the market and the resistance that we discussed. So yesterday it was not as clear as today. Recently you can see that downward action has become a bit stronger. So currently, well, actually it was no significant events or news. It's mostly, I suppose, some market fears around the delta and because of the speeches of the Fed representatives, the governors of the local banks and the Federal Reserve, who said that, well, the most hawkish members among them, like the John Bullard from the Chicago. So they said that despite that we see some weakness in the report, the Fed should follow the strategy and start tapering in this year. So this is not breaking the overall expectations because markets mostly expect that tapering will be announced, but later, somewhere in November, maybe in December. This also, we could call it as in this year. But this position of the Fed members always make impact on the markets, and you can see some action started. So this presses on all dollar rivals, including the gold. Besides, if you take a look at the interest rates and the 10-year yield on treasuries, you could see that in the third session in a row, the yields are rising. So not very significant, but still, upward action stands here. And that support United States dollar, and that make pressure on other currencies. So, in the longer term, it's nothing to add really new because we said that we're watching for a possible head and shoulders pattern, and to form this pattern, market still needs to pass a bit deeper. But at the same time, while we're waiting for the head and shoulders, we could get another pattern. It's a shorter term. So take a look. Actually, market has thrusting action here. So it looks a bit very small on the same chart when we see these type of actions, really significant. But from the chart Napoli point of view, this is theoretically suitable for the bread and butter trade. So if you increase the scale, you could see that actually we have 10 bars here to the upside. All of them stands above the 3x3 moving average. And theoretically, we could get the bread and butter. Once market hits the 30% support, for example, we could get some bounce up. This is has really small relation to daily chart that we're watching for the hand and shoulders. But for intraday trading, that might be set up. That could be realized within the today, tomorrow sessions probably. So on the fall time frame chart, we already discussed recently the ABCD pattern that stands in progress. So here you could see the OP target has been hit currently. And if market will reach the XOP, maybe for targeting, we could use not the 18 even, but here it would be better to take this top. For calculation, it will be 18 or 6 approximately. This is more appropriate using of the ABCD extension for our purposes that we need to take the position, for instance, as a bread and butter. If market will hits the XOP, which is very probable, you can see here was previous top. This provides additional support. We have confluence and agreement with the XOP. This is more than enough to show some healthy pullback here. So some brand, here is the brand body could work. If you will decide to trade it, just control the overall situation. This is intraday chart, and do not merit position. I'm trying to take the result right at the theoretical target and close it. So because this is some counter trend setup, and it might be over as very fast. So that's the setup that we have currently on the euro currency. And then we will see what will happen after that.